Hey guys, so I have the Boxycharm Premium for the month of September. They sent me this for review purpose. I do have an affiliate link. I like to keep that up front with you guys, and we're gonna go ahead and jump into it. And I think I only tried like one of the products, so I will be showing like a little video here on the side. I only had one day to film, so I had to do like my base boxes, the Premium and the Luxe all in one today. So I try to use as many products as I could, but you know, it just kind of is what it is. Anyways, first thing in here is the Bare Minerals Mineralist Hydra Smoothing Lipstick. Oh, before I jump in, this is what the card looks like. It's called BTS, which I think means like behind the scenes. Somebody correct me if I'm wrong. And this is the version 226. Okay. Now we can jump in. So this is the Bare Minerals Mineralist Hydra Smoothing Lipstick. This is worth $20, and I got the shade Integrity, and it looks like a gorgeous fall shade, like a dark brown, and that's what the tube looks like. I know some of you guys wanted like close-up shots, and this is what the lipstick looks like. Ooh. Looks like a gorgeous, oh yeah, that is such a beautiful brown for the fall. It's kind of like that brownish with like reddish undertones, so it's just gorgeous. Look at how beautiful that shade is. Ooh, yes. And this is worth $20. So this is supposed to be like cold press and has like a lot of nourishing, hydrating, and is supposed to help smooth, condition your lips and reduce the look of lines, texture, and dryness. So yay for that, because I am so over like crusty dry lips. Like that's one of the reasons, like for liquid matte lipsticks, I always use a lip balm underneath. Okay, next thing in here is the Tarte Glotion Skin Perfection. I love this. I will show you guys the one that I already have open, because Tarte actually sent me a few of their products for review purpose. I actually did like a full face of Tarte, if you guys haven't seen that on my channel. And one of the products that they sent me was this. Oh, this thing is so gorgeous. It just gives a beautiful glow to the skin. I love it as a primer. It's peachy. And as you can see to the side, it just kind of gives like a literally, like, look at that. Look at that. It just gives like a beautiful glow to the skin, and then it just really hydrates as well. And I just love the combination of using like a glowy primer and then the foundation on top. That to me is just life. So this one is a really great one. So glad that Boxycharm put it in here, and this is $32. Next thing in here is the Bloom Effects Tulip Dew Mist. This is a multitasking face mist, and it has vitamins B3, C, D, and E. It's supposed to refresh and energize, and is $34. And this is a new launch. So it says fragrance free, and it's hydrating. So let's just spray a little. Oh, that's a nice mist. Okay, and it doesn't have any spray or anything. Really nice mist. Dries really nicely because it's such like a really nice soft mist. It doesn't like feel like droplets on the skin, which I absolutely despise that. So it has clean beauty innovation, and it is supposed to basically give you a dewy, radiant glow to your skin. And yeah, we'll be testing that out. I have never tried that brand before, so this would be my first one, and that is $34. Next thing in here is the Bite Beauty Upswing Extreme Longwear Liquid Eyeliner. This is $25 and is a jet black color. So this is what it looks like from Bite Beauty. And is this a felt tip? Let's see. It's a felt tip, but it's a pretty thin one, so I might test this out. If you've been watching me for a hot minute, I'm not the biggest fan of felt tip, but I will give her a go. I will give her a go. This is $25. It says that it doesn't transfer, it doesn't flake, and it is supposed to give you like the best color payoff. It's clean and vegan. So we shall see about that. And then the last thing in here, oh no, I have two more things. So the next thing in here is the Complex Culture Beauty Sonic T-Bar Facial Massager. This is $58, and this is $58. Oh, does she vibrate? Does she vibrate? And this actually will vibrate and give you a massage while doing like your face. This is really, really great for using it with any kind of skincare or serums. It just helps absorb it, and also gives you like, it drains your lymphatic system, and it's just really, really great. I love these tools. I used to use like the manual one, and then we got one in Boxycharm that has like a rose quartz, and I am obsessed with that one. So I'm definitely gonna put a battery in this one and use it, and just like try to really contour my chin and use it, especially on the neck area. If you guys haven't tried one of these little tools for your skin are amazing. Either do it manually or get one of these really nice ones that vibrate. It's like freaking just, it feels like amazing. I love doing that as part of my skincare routine. And then the next thing in here, or the last thing in here, is the Verb Ghost Oil. This is $18 and is supposed to help shine your hair and hydrate and fight frizz, and it's supposed to be like weightless hair oil. So we will definitely see. I will try it out. I have very, very thin hair naturally, and a lot of these oils just make my hair an oil slick, and I'm not a fan of them. So we will see if this one is as a ghost oil and is like very, very light and really not as heavy as a lot of these oils are. So I have high hopes for this. Anyways, that is all that came in the premium box. Let me know what you guys thought of this box. I feel like it's a really great box. They have a great variation of products between Bite Beauty, Bare Minerals, Tarte, this spray, this tool. I'm telling you, if you guys don't have one of these tools, put a battery in this, start using it every night, and I just feel like it just really, really helps tighten everything, and it's just such a good moment. Anyways, as always, I will put the total value around here. Thank you guys so much for watching, for subscribing. If you're new here, I'd love to have you subscribe. If you like beauty content, I not only do unboxings, but I also do other beauty content here on my channel, and I also have social media down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.